Asingeneni go hot topic yetu ya namhlanje. Hi KVG, hi 326 Express. I am a lady aged 36 years old, married with 4 kids. I have worked in the banking sector for over a decade and managed to secure 2 properties for my husband and I through my mortgage facilities. We both contributed towards payments and are left with 1 property Yatakae Samuroja to pay off the loan. So my story is, 3 months ago, I accidentally found out that my husband akaburitsa tenant wedu. My husband had been making excuses about the rental money until I called the lady and she said, Tane 3 months tabuda. When I confronted my husband, he told me he wanted to repaint the house and do a few touches wokwizama rentals. The house is fairly new. This did not sit well with me, so I drove there after work and saw a woman who was visibly pregnant, and I was quick to read the situation. Without being dramatic, I asked for my former tenant and was told Vakabuda. I went back home that evening and asked about the pregnant woman at our house. Ndipo pa akataura kuti akatizirwa ne this woman who seemingly looks way younger than me. We had a fight that night, the first time kupopotedzana in front of our kids. All I was asking was for him to move his girlfriend out of our property. When I called 2 of my tetes, his sisters, per conference call, they both said to me, our brother wants to marry her, and there isn't much to do. Dates are set for December. It pained me so much because both anatete ao, kuti wazowana dzimba, it's through my connection kubasa, and they went ahead kutizisa this girl without my knowledge. All of a sudden, my life is upside down. I thought ndakunda gorerino, but here I am. My family, especially my parents, are saying, you need to leave him and claim what is yours, since I have the papers. But my mind is telling me that's an easy exit for this man after all I have done. I plan to stay and make both their lives miserable, but first thing is to evict this woman, Pamba Pangu. My parents are elders in the church, and advice yavo will always encourage a peaceful surrender. Mom says it's not the other woman's fault. Anoenda kupi nenumbu if you throw her out. Already she has picked a side. Vedare, I need your help. My husband, atokwanisa a month, achiti akauya orara 1 night, 2 nights he's away, so it's very clear that his intentions are to marry her. I asked, what does this mean for our marriage? He said, you are still my wife. But kanawa kudakusia, siya. What can I do? Help. Your hot topic yet,
on 0772162651, your reactions. Messages are coming in fast and furious, and this one says, to kickstart my reaction to the hot topic KVG, I will tell this lady, this I've learned, and you just have to let it go and surrender. On 0772162651, you're calling in on 0714414413, action lines into the studio. What's your take? Anobatsirika say, this lady, Aruti murume ngabuditse mudzimai wakatora muncha wakanotizisa kuimba yavari kuvaka vose yavakatenga vose, and they're still paying mortgage for that house. This one says, just leave the marriage, my dear. Zokuti, easy way out for your husband. You're going to hurt somebody in the end. Just leave. That's 691. This one also coming in says, like a painful exit. Well, she says to make their lives miserable. That's what she was saying. Uyu also coming in says, Muruma uyu ane utsinye chayo. This one also coming in on our WhatsApp platform says, please tell that lady, you don't overcome evil by evil. Just go, pack, and some things will pop up for you. That's 986, last digits of your number.
Here is another message. Murume arambidzwe kurora mukadzi wechitu, learn and live with it. Here's another message. Yeah, men will embarrass you. And then 809 says, hi, she has to leave this marriage because Murume akuda the other girl. He doesn't want you anymore. And another one coming here. Ngasi anenaso izvi claim my properties ake and move on before azuraya ne BP or before auraya munu. And then here is a message. He should stick to the house yavari kugara and leave the marriage.
And what happens to the other house? Boisira, the new wife.
I am assuming that.
Maswera say. Taswera zvakanaka. Please go ahead, boss.
Yeah, papa mayava pana kumira zvakanaka. Murume shuwa zvakaita nezvaari kuita zvifei kunzimai.
Yeah.
Chinonetsa ndechekuti chinozofunga kuda kutsvaga vamwe vakadzi tasetla zvinhu zvedu zvaari kungoita. Kukutanga usina chaunacho musati mamboita anything wotsvaga zvako zvaunokuchitsvaga pane kuzoda kuchungurudza mweya wamwe vanhu. Ndinongoti kuna mai ava ngavagare gadhika zvese pavacharorora pana December havazivi zvinobuda ikoko kusha ikoko zvinobuda zvakaita sei. Vagare vakagadzira tosazonyanya kushokeka because vanenge vakatosvibiswa zita ravo kuhama dzemurume, vanenge vatoudzwa zvakawanda ende havambokupitai nekutaura kuti tarume dzako.
Yeah. Varemerwawo nehot topic yedu yanhasi ende ndizvozvo zveshuwa nekuti kana ana tete vasinawo chavakwanisawo kuita kuti vasumuke vamire newe, they just gave in to what their brother said. Their brother told them, I'm going to marry this woman, do zvapo. It goes to show that, like what the first contribution yauya, to say, kuti, ame murume vachangomira nehama yavo at the end of the day. And, yeah, you just have to be strong. Hello, Star FM.
Hi, ladies. Maswera saying.
Taswera.
It's heartbreaking because I think my options esaripo mukadzi anorwadziwa akada kuti asiye futi anenge achirwadziwa kuti all the work that I put in akada kuti agare futi anenge achiti why is this person now having another wife and stuff like that. So I feel like she should weigh her options. Ndiye anoziya ane bhutsu akapfeka bhutsu ndiye anonzwa kurwadza kwayo. If she is saying kuti she can't leave the property with her husband, is she willing kuti arambe achiziva about the other union yatopo? Because murume yaantatotera kuti ada kuroora and the relatives are in support.
Yes.
So she should weigh her options ega. Onatsoona kuti ndekupi kune peace of mind yake iripo, because it's either kuti wotosiya marriage or wogara urimo.